Hello class 6, good morning. I hope you are well and fine. In the previous class, we have seen the how to do mail merge in MS Word. Once again, I will today show all the steps how to do mail merge in a chapter 4. What is the use of mail merge? Why we are doing the mail merge? Suppose we have any company, and in the company we have a lot of employees, and we want to send a letter to the all employees. So what I will do, and this works we have to do more frequently, again and again, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every day we have to do. We have to give some notice, we have to give some work order, like that. If we have to do, so what we have to do, we have to type a letter and we have to send same letter to the many persons. So every day I have to type different letter, it is not possible. So what I will do, I will take the help of mail merge. I will type the letter to whom we have to send. We will add the name, the addresses, the email ID to that person's, and we will drop the letter, and we will take the printout and we will send. It is very easiest work. One letter automatically it will convert to the many individual persons. So come once again, I will see how to do this all works. First of all, to work into the mail merge, first of all we have to use the option mailings. In the mailings we have to select the option select recipient. First I have to work with that one. Select recipient means I will make a list of all the persons to whom we are going to send the letters. At the time of sending letters, what field I have to use, I will decide from here. Customize columns. Look here. It is showing these all names. If I want to delete all, I want to use mine one, I can delete here one by one. Here I will do add. I need title. So title I used. Then I need first name. So I will write here first name. Then I need to add some more field. I want to use last name, so last name. I need to use designations, on which designation it is he is working, so designation. I need to use his contact number, so I will use here contact number. I need to use here their email ID, so email ID. Clear? If I want to use that much field, I can click on OK. Look here, it is done. Now here I will type one by one. Title is Mr. Name is Mr. Ratan. Last name is Srivastava. Designation is he is a kids because name is simply. Contact number is this. Email ID is at ratan@gmail.com. Again I will click on new entry, Mr. Sambhu Yadav. Designation, he is a clerk. This is, and now email is sambhu@gmail.com. So my dear students, like that I will add all the name of the employee, those who are working in my company. Clear? And I can do OK. After doing OK, here it may ask you where you want to save the list. Here I have done employee. Now by with the name of employee, it will save on my desktop. Look here, look here, in the form of database it is saved. If you will open here, it will open in a MS Access database. Actually it is saved by MS Word, so it is not opening directly. So like that, suppose in my company, okay, wait a minute, first I have done, if I need to edit, yeah, look, once again I am closing this app, don't save, once again I am opening, and I need to work on that list. So what will I do? Again I will click on the mailing. Here I will click select recipient. It will ask, you want to create new, you want to use existing. Existing means already you have created. So what I will do, I will click on use an existing. Then I will go to the location desktop and I will write here name that I have saved. So I have saved by employee. Okay, open. Now here you will get the options, edit a recipient list. Click on that. Now here it is showing that much records are there. Clear? If you want to edit again, so click on this and click on here what, edit. Now you will get options. If you want to add some more columns, you can do customize columns. If you want to remove any columns, you have to again select the customize columns. Clear? If you have to rearrange the fields name also, no designations will come in the letter like that, customize. I need destination downside, so I will click here move down. I need to destination, it will display top, so I will do top. Understand how to do these all things. Clear? Then click on OK, it will automatically shift here. If I need to delete any records, so I will select that one, I will select and I will click on delete entry. It will ask, do you want? Click on yes, it will delete. Clear? Understand? Now updated. After that, like that, if you have a company, you have to create a list of all managers, all clerk, all the fourth class employee, like that you can create a what, list for everyone. And now here write simple letters and you may send the letters. So today only that much. I hope you have understand how to edit the recipient list. Tomorrow we will see how to send a mail, these all things. So thank you class. Do practice at your home. Do practice at your home how to create, edit, and then if you will see the previous one, you will understand how to send a mail. Try it. If you are getting any difficulty, ask me. Thank you.